everybody. So we just gonna make something quick. I hope you are doing well. We just gonna make something quick for the dinner this evening. This is how we make just fried rice with egg. So this is my rice. I cook it already, and here we have spring onions and garlic here, and I will use like 2 eggs. So then we have this my condiment that you already know. It's just something quick. I'll just say, okay, let me just show you. So, and then we have this barbecue Zoma steak. They write it in German, but it's a steak. Steak is steak. So now we're gonna fry our rice. So I'm gonna use this fry pan. The fry pan is for tefal. I think I showed this fry pan in one of my previous video. I'm gonna add some oil. So you can also use olive oil, anyone you wish. This is your choice. So I'm just gonna add my egg. Add the egg in the rice. So then add my condiments. So onion, everything. Add a little bit salt. Then I'm gonna add a bit of curry. That is curry. Just add it a bit. It give me nice taste and give me also color. So I add. I'm gonna add pepper. And this one paprika. So then just mix everything. Now that I mix everything, let's just go and add it in the fry pan. Okay. Have to turn it time to time. Come and turn it till it's done. So family, our rice is done. You see, very fast, very easy. Look at this. Now it's done. I'm gonna keep it aside, then continue with other things. So now I'm gonna add some butter, margarine, in the fry pan. Then just add the meat. Okay, I just leave it like this. Like, you know, sometimes those meat doesn't have a lot of salt or something like that. I'm just gonna add a bit salt, then add my Maggi pulver, then add some sparkling. I just cover it like this. I'm gonna add some olive oil. Our meat is done. Now I have those paprika here. I'm just gonna add them. You know, vegetables are also good. Very good. And add a bit olive oil, a bit salt, then our cooking is done. So thank you very much for watching, and that is what I wanted to show for today's cooking. Now I'm just gonna add everything inside. So look at this. Very good, easier. So that's what I wanted to show for today cooking. Just something fast for the evening, for dinner, and it's not taking time. When you come from work, you just make it. I just came from work now. I just decide to make something fast, and it's also like that. It's going very fast. Everything is good. then we are ready to eat, because not everyone want to stay longer in the kitchen, you know. And those kind of recipe you can make them for dinner, for lunch, and then you save also energy and your time. So that it is. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.